Amalungu ekomiti leSection 89 aqale adingida ngesenzo sikaSomlomo wePhalamende sokuyofuna iseluleko somthetho ngaphandle mayelana neqhaza lakhe kuleli komiti. USomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza usivikele isinqumo sakhe sokungaphikisi isinyathelo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokuvimba inkantolo uphenyo lwekomiti ngaye. UDidiza ubhale incwadi efungelwe ecacisa ngenyathelo ezithathwa yiPhalamende ukuqinisekisa ukuthi luyaqala uhlelo lokuphenya uMengameli ngokwesinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo. Uthi umsebenzi wakhe ukulekelela inkantolo ngokubalula ukuthi iPhalamende liwuthobele kanjani umyalelo wenkantolo ebe engachemile. Kulandela lokhu, i-EFF ihlongoza ukufaka isiphakamiso songabethembi ubuholi bukaSomlomo. Ithi uhlelo lokuphenywa kukaMengameli kufanele lisingathwe iphini likaSomlomo.
We feel very strong that this matter that has got to do with impeachment must be shifted to the office of the Deputy Speaker. Our Speaker is highly conflicted, and that motion, we will sponsor it in Parliament, that the Deputy Speaker must be the one who oversees the work of the impeachment committee.
Leli komiti linamandla ukuphoqa ufakazi kuba bezophendula isicawini noMengameli angeke aphunyuke.
It's not acceptable that the president may not attend. The president is going to attend. Is the main person here. And then the other issue is that even if he comes, even if he comes with this legal team, it will sit at the back, and then he will have to speak. And if there's a need for him to consult his legal team, he will get that permission from you. Ask for the permission from the chair.
Kusenjalo ANC ifake isaziso sokuxoxisa isicelo sayo sokungenelela njengabavikela uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa esicelweni sakhe sokuvimba uhlelo lwePhalamende lokumphenya. Lo ngijikhwebu eshawe ukhongolose iza emva kweinsuku iqembu lifake isicelo enkantolo ephakeme yaseWestern Cape lapho belifuna ukwenza izethulo liseka uMengameli. Amaqembu aseka umbiko wekomiti likaSection 89 ngephalaphala kukhona kuwo i-EFF, ATM, MK Party kanye ne-United African Transformation.